Celebrate happy hour from the deck of your happy home overlooking the lake. Lake views, mountain views and an open inviting floor plan. Louisville Marina is nearby, so bring your kayaks, paddle boards, canoe, jet ski, boat, or simply your favorite pair of shorts and sunglasses. So many places to relax and/or entertain: sit-down bar at the kitchen, open living room, downstairs gathering spot with a fireplace, upstairs deck, downstairs deck. Just pick a spot and enjoy it. When it's quiet time, the master suite is downstairs with a great outdoor sitting area and separate office/hobby room. This home can be your place to entertain or your retreat. Or both. Enjoy the views. Enjoy the lake. Enjoy the marina. Enjoy your new home in beautiful Louisville, Tennessee. August smart front door lock, Google Nest smart thermostat, and the smart blinds on the front windows will all stay with the house. Showings begin scheduling Friday, January 14th with tours/showings beginning Saturday, January 15th.